My brother hasn't held a job in 30 years. My dad expects me to pay for his mortgage, utilities, and pot growing operation. From r/am I the a-hole, where being the executor quietly becomes the endowment. My parents paid for my brother's living expenses since he was 20. He's now pushing 50. They gave him a house, covered his food, even his dog's kibble. He's not disabled, he just says he's not that kind of guy when asked for work. It annoyed me, but I stayed out of it. It wasn't my problem. Then my mom died. My dad told my brother he couldn't afford the house anymore and he needed to move out. Good, finally. But instead of letting him figure it out, my dad pivoted. He'd pay for an apartment. Then, when they couldn't find one that allowed the pit bull, they decided to buy him a house because he needs somewhere to grow his pot plants. Then came the real ask. As executor of my dad's trust, I reviewed the document. It says assets split 50-50. My dad laughed when I mentioned that. He can't have any money, you'll need to take care of him. He expects me to own the home, pay the mortgage, utilities, insurance, repairs, forever. He walked me through the chewy auto delivery for dog food like this was already my job description. Your reliability isn't a trait, it's their retirement plan. I have a son with actual disabilities. We set up a special needs trust because we know he'll need lifelong support. My brother? No disability, no trust, just decades of enabling and a dad who assumes I'll absorb the cost. And yes, he'll blow any inheritance, but that's not my failure, it's theirs. Some people outgrow dependence, others just change caretakers. On the surface, it's a housing request. Beneath it, a lifetime role is being assigned without consultation. The responsible child isn't asked, they're assumed. And the invoice covers more than mortgage payments. It tallies decades of subsidized stability now billed to your future. No discussion, no opt-out. Just expectation enforced like a standing order on your autonomy. One observer put it plainly. Don't give him money if he asks. Another replied, it's not if, it's when. And you already know the answer. When your father hands you a ledger you never agreed to balance, listing your brother's dog food and rent as your lifelong obligations, what part of executor sounded like employer? And if responsibility is your family's only inheritance, what's left of your own life that hasn't already been budgeted for someone else's choices?